Hello dear students, welcome to the platform of Teacher Educator. Today, let us have an introduction about one of the EPC papers of your second semester, that is Fine Arts and Theatre. As it is known to you that FAT is an Enhancing Professional Competency course, EPC 4. It stands for 2 credits where total number of hours contributed for this paper are 26. In this paper, you are assessed for 50 marks, purely based on the practical activities conducted and recorded in the record book. There is no examination for this paper. Now, we need to understand the reason of learning this paper. I mean to say, let's move towards the objectives of FAT paper. Dear students, teaching has become a challenging task. The expectations from the teachers and the students are changed. In today's classroom, you do not only deliver the content, but you are expected to play multiple roles within the context of your curriculum transaction. This Fine Arts and Theatre paper will help you in fitting into those different roles to be played by you as a teacher. So, during the practical sessions of this course completion, the prospective teacher's engagement in different activities and performances not only creates an interest, but you also develop the skills of using various methods and strategies of teaching fine arts and drama. Then, after learning the practical sessions of this paper, you will get to know about how to use fine arts and drama in teaching and learning process. There are some activities with the help of which you will get to know about the preparation of various kinds of instructional materials for teaching drama. Dear students, you are also involved in conducting some kind of organizing different programs like singing, dancing, street play, etc., which develops the planning, organization and execution skills. You will also develop aesthetic sensibility through the various performances of music, dance and drama. Finally, your hands-on experiences in all these activities helps you in getting practical experience in participating in dance, music and drama. There are total 2 units in FAT paper where Unit 1 is about dance and Unit 2 is about drama and theatre performances. Here, you are set to conduct all the activities mentioned in each of these units. Unit 1 includes your performances in singing different types of songs like patriotic songs, Lavani, Gigi Pada and group dance. Unit 2 gives you an exposure to multiple performances of drama, educational puppet shows, interviews of some local artists, etc. Now, let me explain to you about maintaining a record book of this paper. Like your USPY paper of first semester, here you need to record all your activities in a record book of 200 pages. So, to write a record book, first you need to create a cover page with the proper information where you need to mention your college, your semester, academic year, subject, paper, paper code, activity that is record book, and topics here will be Unit 1 and Unit 2. Finally, down you can mention submitted by your name and submitted to name of your teacher educator. Then you are presenting an index here. An index will be as your activity 1.1 is presented, at which page number it will be, like that you are presenting your index. Moving ahead, you will have here the presentation of your performances in a form of digital presentation. So what you need to do here is, here I have made one table where first is the student's name, write your name here, then topic 1.1, practicing community prayer and community song. So for this activity, you create one video, right, of your performance. That video you save it in your Google Drive, and the Google Drive, whatever you have saved, create a link from there and paste the link in this column. Similarly, for all the activities of both the units 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, 2.3, all the units, you are supposed to work in the similar manner and you are supposed to present and your performances in the form of links here. Sometimes it is possible that you have already performed at various occasions in your institution. So what you can do here is, whatever performances you have given, if you have the photographs of those performances, those photographs can also be attached. In the later slides, I'll tell you where to attach those photographs, right? I hope it is clearer to you. This information of link is especially for those students who have not done any work in fine arts and theatre, and their teacher educators want some record for those students. So simply just create your performance, video record it, and save it in the Google Drive, and at the same time paste the link here. So this is one option, and it depends on your teacher educator. In order to record in the record book, first you should write the meaning of fine arts, right? As it is presented, you can just copy the information from here, or according to your own understanding and reference skills, you can write it here, right? So meaning of fine arts and theatre, towards the left hand side, you can attach or paste or draw some significant image, right? Moving ahead, you have here objectives of fine arts and theatre paper. Here you need to write those objectives which are mentioned in your syllabus, right? That is one thing. Another important thing is that towards the left hand side of this page, I have mentioned here the benefits of this fine arts and theatre in school and colleges, right? So this information as it is, you can take the xerox, color xerox, or black and white, or you can draw towards this side, right? Then again, next what you're supposed to do is, after the objectives, you have to come to the unit 1. Okay, music and dance. All the topics first you need to present here from 1.1 to 1.5. If you specifically see here in the bracket after 1.5, they have mentioned performing all the above on different occasions, evidences, report with album or CD. Dear students, here, this, as I said to you, this paper is purely based on your practical activities, and we assess you based on your activities and their record. So whatever is mentioned in unit 1, you are supposed to practice them either in the college on different occasions, or if you have not performed anywhere, as I mentioned earlier, you can record the performance, individual performance, and create a link of your Google Drive and send it and paste it as it is mentioned in the first page, right? So how to record in the record book here, I'll just show it to you. Now activity 1, that is practicing community prayer or community songs. So here you need to write the meaning of community prayer. Okay, then left hand side some related image. Then what is the educational significance of performing or practicing community prayers and songs in the schools and colleges? You can mention some points. Then next one is what you need to do here, left hand side of the page, all the community, specifically you can take the major communities like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, or some other communities also. You need to write at least 5 title songs under each community, like Hindu songs, okay, Hindu prayers, you are supposed to write at least 5, only title songs have to come. Then Muslims 5, then all the religions 5 you are supposed to write. Then later what you have to do is, out of these songs, whichever appeals you more, irrespective of your community, right, that song can be written towards right hand side. It means that whatever song you are presenting here towards the right hand side of the page, the same song you are going to perform in the form of your video recording. So record this, and here I will just show it to you how to present in the record book. So activity 1.1, practicing prayer or community songs again. Then details of the event, that is performance of community prayer, title of prayer or song, what song you have taken, the title you have to paste here, right? Then date and day of performance, the day you have done the recording, that you can mention here. Just some tentative date I have mentioned here. One more thing, if any one of you or some of you have performed some kind of the community prayers or song in the institution, you can also write that specific date, and you can attach the photographs towards the left side of the page, right? Then type of the activity, whether it is individual or group. Then participant's name, your name has to come here. Moving ahead, activity 1.2. We are practicing patriotic songs, Lavani and Tigipada. So first write the meaning of patriotic songs and educational significance of the same. Left hand side some related image can be presented. Okay. So here actually I have presented the image of Lavani and Gigi Pada, but you can present here the image of patriotic song only, right? Then afterwards again what you need to do is you have to mention the list of some of the patriotic songs as the table is presented towards the left hand side of the page. So Hindi songs nearly some 10 songs you can present, then English songs 10, Kannada songs or whichever regional language you belong to, right? So that nearly 10 songs can be presented in a table. Then out of all those 10 plus 10, 30 songs, you can present any one of the songs which appeals you the most towards the right hand side. Then record that performance of that song, video record it and paste the link in the as it is presented earlier, right? Now what you have to do is this one you have to record in the next page. So the song is continued here. Then you can see here activity 1.2 practicing patriotic songs, detail of the event, then title of the prayer song you are supposed to mention, which date you have recorded or if you have performed in during any of the days in the college, right? Then type of the activity and participant's name. Your name has to come here. Towards the left hand side of the page you can attach your photograph here, right? That is, if you are recording now, you can take a screenshot of your performance and you can attach here, right? I think it is clear to you. Now activity 1.2, again they have presented here Lavani and Gigi Pada as per the syllabus rules. Okay, so you write the meaning of Lavani, then meaning of Gigi Pada. Moving ahead, what you can do, what is the educational significance of Lavani and Gigi Pada, that can be presented. Then afterwards again the educational significance is continued, that will be of Lavani separate and Gigi Pada separate. And you can see here towards the left hand side of the page nearly 5 Lavani songs, titles are to be written, and Gigi Pada also 4 to 5 you can present there, right? Only the headline, the title has to come here. Okay, then what you can do here is out of those Lavani songs and Gigi Pada you can choose any one and you can present towards the right hand side of the page. That song you have to record in the form of performance, then you have to present it here as it is given, activity 1.2 practicing Lavani and Gigi Pada. Then again what is the title song, which date and day you are performing or you have already performed, which kind of activity, it can be group activity also, right? Then participant's name, okay, that and left hand side you can attach your photograph or the screenshot of the image which you have taken while recording it. Then you have your activity 1.3 wherein the practicing folk songs and light music. Again you are writing the meaning of folk songs. Okay, then what is the educational significance of folk songs, you can present it here, right? Then Bhavagite, what it is and what is the educational significance of Bhavagite or light music. Then here again what you are doing, list of folk songs of Karnataka. So nearly 4 to 5 songs list you can give here. Out of these songs you can take any one song, you can write it here. It means that you are going to perform this song. Okay, and again here this light music or Bhavagite also you have to make the list of 5 songs nearly. Then here towards right hand side one complete song has to be written. Okay, and then you have to record both, like your folk song also, light music also, Bhavagite also separately record them, and separate 2 photographs are to be attached here which you have performed either in the school or college or you have recorded. Okay, anyhow whatever you are recording, that recording performance you are already sending in the form of link, so your teacher educator can view you there, right? So your performance can be assessed on that basis, but as a record you need to attach your photographs compulsorily here. Okay, then you have activity 1.4, that is recitation of poems and gamaka. So what are the poems? What is the educational significance of poems, that can be written here. Then what is gamaka and what is the educational significance of the same. Then what you have to do is you have to take nearly 10 poems from the Karnataka state textbooks, right? So here you can take either from 8th, 9th, 10th or any of these standards poems can be written. Here as you can see in the given table, here title of the poem is that Ice Cream Man, class is 5, and the poet you need to mention and who is the publisher. It means that Karnataka Textbook Society is the publisher. So in the similar manner, these all the poems are taken from the Karnataka state textbooks only, from the different standards, right? So that can be mentioned here. Here you are giving only the list of the titles of those poems, that's all, okay, not the complete poems. Then any one of the poems you can write it completely here, right? Here language is not the bar. You can take any of the major languages, Hindi, English, Kannada or any of the other languages also as per the consultation of your teacher educator. Then this poem you are practicing and you are writing in the form of record, right? Then it comes here again Gamaka. So Gamaka songs you are writing 5 here. And then any one of the song you will write complete here. Then you will mention the record of that same, you will present as you have done for other events also. One page only, both the photographs of poem and Gamaka can be presented here, right? Then next one you have your activity 1.5, that is practicing group dance. Dear students, group dance performance is a challenge for you being in the online classes, right? So let us see that how to go about it. In the virtual mode, individual performance to some extent, that also it is, dear students, performing the practices, dear students, performing group activities is difficult in the virtual mode of your teaching and learning process, but let us see how we can make it interesting. So activity 1.5 is practicing group dance. What you can do, first of all, writing group dance, what it is and what is the educational significance of the same. Left hand side of the page, you can mention your one table where title songs, 10 title songs can be written here, and you can mention the state, that particular song belongs to which state, right? That can be written. Then after this, you are taking that one complete song. Okay, I have taken an image and I have just pasted here of Ghumar dance, right? Then after that, this same you are supposed to record it. This is the complete song. Then you are supposed to record your presentation. Okay, so photograph of group dance performance as I have presented, and then activity 1.5, practicing various types of group performances. Detail of the event is dance performance, title of the song is Ghumar, right? So in the similar manner as you have done for the other activity, this also can be done. Now how it will be considered as a group dance performance? There are the two things. One thing is that during your different occasions, if you have performed a group dance, take the photograph of that and attach it here and consider it for the same, right? And here date and day of performance will be the same which you have performed in your college. So for your group performances, what you can do here is you record your individual performance, send it to us. We will try to edit it and make it convert into one presentation. So dear students, that was all about your unit 1 and recording the activities of unit 1 under the paper of your fine arts and theatre. In the next video, let us learn about how to maintain the record book of unit 2 of the same paper. Thank you. Happy learning.